Hey, what's going on? Trip Kramer here from tripadvice.com. I'm going to start with a little bit of a story, a little background on myself. This was about, at this point, 11 years ago, 12 years ago, back in 2006, 2007, 2008, around that point when I was just learning how to meet women, how to pick up girls, right? I was in my early to mid 20s, and as a guy who is, single in that time, of course, you want to meet women, right? You might be in that same exact spot. And so I remember that I'd read all this information online. There's a lot of pickup material. There wasn't many YouTube channels. YouTube just came out around this time, so there wasn't a lot of information there. There's only just a little bit of information, and the information that I got didn't really resonate with me. So I wasn't really sure what to do, and I was lost. Like, how do I go out and meet women, especially being a guy who is very shy, which I once was. So I had to figure out what I needed to do. And so with all this overwhelm of information, I thought, well, okay, I can try to use some of this information, which I did, and it didn't work. Some stupid pickup lines and things like that, and using what's called routines, basically fake stories that you make up that are not true, that are supposed to attract women. And that just felt weird, and that didn't work. So what I did, and this is gonna be my tip for you, someone who's just starting off, is I said, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna go out right now, and I'm just gonna start talking to as many people as I can. And I think that that idea, that concept, is severely underrated, and I don't think a lot of people talk about this. Instead, people are, well, of course, you're going online and trying to figure out the best opening lines and trying to get all the information, cram all the information in your head so you have as much information as possible before you go out and talk to women. But really, you can do that. You can study all day long, watch all these videos all day long, and they will help, but they're not going to get you as far as you going out and just starting conversations, even if you have no idea what to do. So my biggest tip for you, especially if you're just beginning, even if you're somewhere in intermediate, is just to go out and talk to girls and fail and get rejected and get embarrassed and see what happens. The skill set of you being able to meet women, attract women, be charismatic, get rid of your shyness, that skill set right there is built through the experience of going out and talking to lots of women. And then you come back and you watch these videos for the support. Okay, so the videos are the support to the action. So action should come first, and then videos, podcasts, things like that, that should come second. And it's okay, you can watch a little bit of videos if you need a little bit of tips, but you're not gonna be able to use all this stuff, especially if you're just starting off, because it's gonna be such a jumble in your head, you're not gonna know exactly what to do with it. You need to go out and have experiences. You need to go out and you need to screw up. So I'm telling you, and I'm giving you permission, go out, screw up, make mistakes. But the most important thing you can do is start talking to women. And here's what you're gonna find, is you're not gonna be as bad as you think you are. Of course, the first few approaches, talking to women is gonna be tough. But if you really, really just go out there and be persistent with it, there's a learning curve. So you actually get better really fast. Just like when you go to the gym and you start working out and you start seeing big strength gains right away. That's just how it works. It's the same thing with going out and meeting women, is you're gonna be kind of shy and screw up, but you're gonna start getting better faster in the very beginning. And that's what happened to me. I decided to throw away all the information, stop learning, and just go out and see what happens. And I got good really fast. I got good, not amazing, but in the first 3 months, I was able to see a lot of results, getting more dates, sleeping with some women, just really having a fun time being outside of my shell. And then of course after that I had to kind of learn about, okay, well, what are women interested in, and how do you really dive into your masculinity, and how do you balance your masculinity, which attracts the femininity, and all this other advanced stuff. But for you as a beginner, what I urge you to do is go out, use one opening line, which can be just like, hey, what's up? I'm going out meeting people today. Are you from, and then this city? Or just saying, hello, what's going on today? It doesn't matter what the opener is. It's about you delivering the opener and just getting it out there, so then after that, you can just see what happens. And then you can also see that people are a lot nicer than you think, right? When you go out, yeah, you might get some rejection. Some girls might be like, why is this guy talking to me? This is so weird. But at the end of the day, it's not gonna be as bad as you think, and you're only gonna find that out, not from me saying it, but from you going out and talking to people. This is underrated. I wish someone told me this when I first started. But no one told me this. No one said to just go out and make a goal of talking to, 50 people in 1 week. Make that goal. Just do that and see what happens. And then when you figure out, okay, I can't continue a conversation, or it starts to die here, or the conversation's fine, but I'm not able to flirt, those are the questions you're gonna have, which then you come back and you search those videos, and then you can learn some stuff and then go out again and implement it from what you've learned, and then you're already used to going out, so it's all going to be really connected easily for you. Use the information to go out and continue to get better. Now, there's another way to do this. You can also get coaching, something that I offer. I offer one-on-one coaching. I do coaching with beginners, intermediate, and advanced, and I put you on a customized plan to go out and hold you accountable to talk to women so you can get better, and we help you drill the things that you're not good at. So maybe it's conversation, flirting, avoiding the friend zone, whatever it is, but I coach you one-on-one, in person, or over the phone. So if you're interested in that, if you want to get to a more advanced level a lot faster than doing it on your own, which is going to be very helpful for you, go to coachedbytrip.com and you can apply today, and I'll put a link down in the description below. So you can apply, and then after you apply, I will reach out to you via email and we can set up a call to see if coaching is a good fit for you. So that's one option for you. That's to just get better faster, or if you just want to do it on your own, that's fine too. Might take a little bit longer, but either way, go out and do as many approaches as possible, and then after that, come back and get the information. I hope that helps. I'll see you on the next video. Good luck.